So when you would like to install the Image Pro, please take attention on when you screw to adjust the lead range at the right angle. Please make sure that you just tie it enough only. No need to put more harder, otherwise it will break the cover. Let's see the picture. Okay, just when you feel tight, just stop it. That's all. Okay.